Belimo is the global market leader in the development and manufacturing of actuator and control valve solutions for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. We believe that an HVAC system with seamlessly integrated high-quality field-level devices is the key to improving occupant comfort, optimizing energy efficiency and system performance while lowering operating costs. Which is why, now, we're introducing a new range of sensors. Temperature sensors for pipe, duct, and outdoor air applications support a large range of common output signals, including passive NTC, RTDs, and active signal types, to ensure seamless connection to major building automation systems. Duct and outdoor combined humidity and temperature sensors featuring plus or minus 2% accuracy as standard across the range. Multiple selectable outputs, field selectable temperature ranges, along with BACnet or Modbus communications. Air quality sensors are furnished with dual-channel CO2 and optional VOC measurement and integrated temperature and humidity sensors. Dual-channel CO2 sensor based on NDIR technology allows effective compensation of long-term drift, thus providing precise accuracy and long-term stability. This is why Belimo gives a 5-year warranty also on CO2 sensors. Pressure sensors for accurate, precise measurement of pressure, differential pressure, and velocity for reliable monitoring. Selectable measuring ranges are available for application flexibility. Inline flow sensors utilize ultrasonic transit time technology to provide accurate and repeatable hot or chilled water flow measurement, along with a maintenance-free design ensuring reliable operation. Sensors feature a uniquely designed enclosure with an innovative screwless snap-on cover for easy installation and commissioning. As a standard, sensors from Belimo are UL certified and enclosures are NEMA 4X and IP65 compliant tested to withstand harsh environments, indoors or outdoors. The sensor's modular design and conduit fittings enable various mounting and cable configurations to meet a variety of applications. Plus, each enclosure includes a mounting plate that's designed to be used as a drill template for easy installation. All backed by a 5-year warranty and Belimo's exceptional service and support. The new sensor range from Belimo makes HVAC integration seamless, reliable, and intuitive, improving energy efficiency and providing cost savings.